Did you know your body and brain needs a spring cleaning too? Hi, my name is Carrina Lau, personal transformation coach. When I think of spring, I think of renewal. This morning I woke up with the sun coming through the window and the birds singing happily outside. And the trees by my bedroom window will turn bare branches to sprouts buds to green leaves pretty soon. And I'm always amazed at how nature has its own way to renewing itself. And since we're a few weeks away from spring, now is the perfect time to talk about spring cleaning for your body and brain. Now, here are 3 essential points to consider for the spring cleaning. Number 1, food intake. Do you understand all the ingredients on your food label? Are you eating enough fruits, vegetables, and naturally grown food? Because there is a difference in how processed food impact our bodies compared to natural food. Number 2, exercise refresh. Exercise keeps us healthy because it strengthens your heart, muscles, control your weight, and lowers the chance of chronic diseases. Is there a kind of exercise you've been waiting to start? Or if you've been exercising, is there a way you would like to change your exercise to make it much more challenging? When you change your routine, new experiences and growth will follow. Number 3, mental clutter cleanout. Our minds get cluttered just like our desks and living environment. Mental decluttering can create more space for creativity and positive emotions. Breathing meditation is a great way to declutter the mind because it acts as a mental reset, allowing you to gain clarity and calmness. If mental clutter is keeping you up awake at night, I've got just a solution for you. I created a special breathing meditation soundtrack called Dreamscape. It is designed to help you clear your mind, making it easy for you to fall asleep and stay asleep effortlessly. For a better night's sleep, click the link below in the comment box or right here. You can access this soundtrack right now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.